Hello, this is Lockpicking Nerd, and today we have this old-style lever lock here. That's an old-Soviet design that has been around for about 100 years. First locks that share the same design were produced in Soviet Union back in the 1920s. Just think about it. It's about 100 years ago. It's obviously a copy of the old English lever padlocks, the likes of Chubb and maybe some others. And of course, this lock shares the same features and all the same weaknesses that these old English-style lever padlocks have. As you can see, all the parts of this lock are made of steel, and that's a good thing. The shackle is made of steel too. I don't know if it's hardened or not. I actually have a key for this lock. Just a second. And here is the key. I can show you how to operate this lock. There's nothing special about it. Focus. As you can see, it has 3 levers, not too much. And the shackle opens. You can see the locking mechanism. I hope my camera can catch this. It is the thing right here that locks on the shackle and prevents it from opening. Actually, it's a small bolt, like a bolt on your door, if you have a lever lock on your door. It's very different from the usual ball bearing mechanism that we can find in padlocks. Let's close the shackle. Oh, sorry. As you can see, it's closed. And let's try to pick it open. I will use these 2 hooks. A bigger one with a flatter tip and a smaller one with a rounder tip. You can see the flattened profile, and it's made like this to fit perfectly on the levers. I will use the smaller one for tension, and here you can see the rounding on the tension wire. It's used to fit on the shaft in the keyway to provide better tension. Okay, I think I've got everything here to start picking this lock open. First, I will show one more time that the lock works. It's opened. Now it's closed. I really wish I had a vise here, but we'll have to work with the things we've got. Well, I'll try to hold the lock in my hand and place it on the table and apply, first of all, tension. Let's find this. No, it's not here. This. Oh, yeah. I think here is a part that I will be tensioning. Let's hold the lock somehow. No, we'll hold it in our hands. I hope you can see it. Here is the tension. It's a bit tricky to actually hold the lock and tension it and pick it at the same time, but I hope you can see what I'm doing here. I'm sticking my super pick here. It's a little bit flattened. And let's try to check this these levers. Oop. No, it's not open yet. I'm sorry. I just dropped my tension. Okay, it's really difficult to hold it while picking. Just checking these levers. 1, 2, and trying to get to lever number 3. I hope I won't lose my tension. Just gently trying to push these levers up and trying to feel which one is binding and at what point is it set. No, stop. Not yet. Now I must just have dropped the tension, retention it, and 1, 2. I think I've got to set. Oops. 3. Back to 1. I'm just rechecking 2. Oops. A little bit bigger springs here. I felt some kind of rotation here. Ooh. Just rechecking the levers, because I might drop something. Number 3. Set. I think. No, not yet. Yeah, not yet. But I felt some kind of movement. To set. Getting to number 3. It's a little bit tricky to get in here. And I think, oops, I dropped my tension, but I think the lock is open. Yeah. Oh! It actually was very difficult to pick this lock while trying to film it at the same time, holding everything in my hands. But I think I've got it. Yeah, you can see the mechanism. Here are the levers. I don't know if you can see it. The lock still works, I can show you. So, that's an old Russian padlock. That has been around for maybe 100 years. The great part of this story is that they still make these locks today. And this exact lock on my table, I really like this lock. As for today, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, please tap like, and if you have any comments, please be sure to put them below. And see you in the next video.